Welcome everybody to Options Trading Channel live day trading ICT concepts here. I haven't been doing too good for the month of July. In fact, I've been terrible, but we're still here. Let me show you what I have going on here. I don't think I've ever actually noted this, but I do have 20 accounts. Oh, this just scared me. I do have 20 funded accounts from Apex and 2 from Top Step. So I have all 22 funded accounts. They're not combines. Been doing good, decent on the Apex accounts. 10 of these 20, half of them are $25,000 accounts. The other half are $150,000 accounts. Actually, that one's a little bit higher, $26,776. I can actually take a payout. Not enough. I'm trying to actually make some more before, so I can have a cushion there. And on the $150,000 accounts, I'm not doing too well. I'm just in the green on some. This one I'm up $172. But no, there's some that I'm down, over 1,000. That's 1,000 that I'm down, and then there's about $500, $450. So I'm right there. I'm not doing bad, but I'm not doing great, and that's what we're here for, folks. Today we got JOLTS Job Openings set to come out at 8 o'clock my time, 10 o'clock New York time. We'll see what happens there. We're waiting for Adam to come online, and I'm sure that's going to happen pretty soon. There are, and I'm only having to show just the chart where I actually place the trades. What I actually watch all morning is my charts on TradingView. Let me see if I can bring that up. Replace screen share window. I don't know that you can actually see all of this. Let me make sure. Yeah, well, you see all of my 4 charts there. These are, I'm looking at NQ right now, all the way to the far right. That's the daily. Next one is a 4-hour here. I don't know if you can see where I'm pointing. Then the 1 hour, 15. And then we go to the second tab. This is a 5-minute chart here. And then my 1 minute. So I'm really watching TradingView. And then, of course, I have the same setup for ES. Daily, 4-hour, 1 hour, 15, next tab, 5, and the 1. And then I have other stocks and ETFs that I'm watching. I've been in Roblox since $33 a share. It's trading at 120. We're about to get some earnings on Thursday in 2 days, so we'll see what happens there. I might sell out tomorrow just before the news. We'll see. Quick little rundown as to what I got going on. There's going to be a time, sometime in the very near future, that I want to not necessarily debunk these other traders. It irks me. Adam knows I had a quick rant yesterday. It frustrates me that there's so many people out there that think trading is so easy. All you got to do is put out some trend lines or mark out support and resistance, and sure, we all wish it could be that easy. It's never that easy. So Maybe it'd be fun for content, for entertainment purposes. I may gather and collect all of these different accounts, maybe on TikTok, YouTube, whatever. I'll make a whole list and just kind of I'm not trying to be a bully about it, but trying to point out where I believe, my opinion, of course, they're wrong or they're focusing on the wrong things or just making lavish claims. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, let's take a look at charts here. We do again have 8 o'clock news, 10 o'clock New York time. Daily took out previous day high. That's it. On the 4 hour, what are we looking at here? I can actually take that one away. It created, we won't know for another half hour, but it's creating a BISI on the 4 hour. Did take out previous day high, of course. It's going to be the same throughout. And that's it. No reaction yet to anything. 1 hour. 1 hour, we did go into a BISI. Let's mark that off. And 15 minutes went into those BISIs as well. 5 minutes, nothing too spectacular. And the 1 minute. So again, I just want to point something out, what we're doing in a nutshell. And don't ever take my word for this. For anything I say, and with that being said, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. No one on the stream is. This is for entertainment and education purposes only. But in a nutshell, what we're doing is we're marking out all of these POIs, point of interests, on all charts and all time frames, and we're waiting for reaction off of those POIs. That's really it. Mainly off of higher time frames, mainly off of the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. And then once it goes into those POIs, or we call them inefficiencies or liquidity areas, again, just going through this in a nutshell version, we wait for reaction. And then once we start to see that reaction, we go into the lower time frames, 5 minutes, 1 minute, and we start looking for our setup and our entries. Very quick, in a nutshell, explanation as to what we're doing, what our interpretation is of ICT concepts. Something that I just don't get a chance on mentioning during my live stream because we're just concentrating on trading. I have Tanya Trades. We call her Tanja. And that's just because of the way that she spells her name. So anytime we say Tanja, just know that we're talking about Tanya Trades. And then we also have Patrick Whelan. I have followed Patrick Whelan for many years before he actually blew up. In fact, I have several emails. I wouldn't say several, just a couple of emails going back and forth when I asked him, a couple of questions, not necessarily about trading, but about content, how to create content, what type of camera he uses. And that was many years ago. I may show those just for fun, for content reasons. But that's who I have in the background. That's who we're talking about if you hear Patrick or Tanja. We're starting to see some reaction. Oh, by the way, I've obviously noticed there's a big delay. There's a big delay from real-time charts and the actual stream. There are I would say there's a couple of reasons why that is. There is, long story short, there's certain settings in YouTube that you can adjust for that lag, and I don't have the right equipment. Mainly, it's internet. So that's why there is a slight delay. And when I say slight delay, it might be about 30 seconds. I've noticed about 45 seconds, 30, 45 seconds. So I'm sorry, there's not much that I can do. I'm really limited on the type of internet that I'm on. With that being said, I've mentioned in the very first live stream, I'm trading from my actual day job, really and truly. I have a day job. It allows me to day trade here at the office on company time. I have cleared it with my boss. She knows that I'm trading. So if that ever comes up, we can refer back to this live stream. I've mentioned it before. Yes, I do have a day job. It's crazy. Market is going up like crazy. Just took out its high. Just took out its high of 730. Obviously, you can tell. Excuse me, sorry. Let's see if Tanja's back or on now. Not yet. Of course, Patrick already made a ton of money. We joke about that all the time. And I'm not trying to be a jerk to Patrick. It's just it's almost an inside joke between Adam and I. Patrick already made $1 million. Going back to trading. This is the type of action that we like to see. We want to see reaction. We are right now. I'm more so short bias, just because it's going up right now. It can only react to the downside after taking out liquidity, buy side liquidity. So we shall see what happens. What news did we have? 7:30. We didn't have any news at 7:30. Just JOLTS job opening. So that is important. Let's take a look at the higher time frames. That was, wow, look at that. Big wick on the 1 minute. That's wild. Wild. Market is going up higher and higher. Where she stops, nobody knows. Again, can't stress this enough. 8 o'clock news prohibits me from trading until then. See what happens in the news. I do hold ULTY, and Misty. Those are high yield dividend stocks. It sounds to be too good to be true. Look it up yourself. ULTY. You can find tons of information about them. They they pay out a dividend every week. Currently, last week, I should talk in true facts here. Last week, they paid out 10 cents a share, and they do pay out weekly. There's a lot of I don't want to say shady. It's don't want to misconstrue that. It just sounds too good to be true. It's trading at $6.29. You can see there, top right hand tab. Excuse me, you can't see it, can you? I'm sorry. Let's do this. Share. Perfect. Now you can see it. Top on the left screen, on the left side, left half, top right corner, you see ULTY and Misty. And again, they pay dividends every week. Pretty cool. Oh, there's Tanja. I hope they're not too loud. I like just to have them as background noise, pretty much. But yeah, take a look at ULTY and Misty, MSTY. Misty, high yield, they pay out dividends every month. Don't really have much going on at the very moment. I'm sticking true to news at 8 o'clock, which is in 24 minutes. Market is moving pretty hard here. You can see on the 1 hour, that right there is what you're looking for essentially. It's not within my kill zone, quote unquote, but that is what you're looking for. You want it to go into these POIs, point of interest, inefficiencies. The actual definition, what ICT calls them, inefficiencies. This is a BISI, being a fair value gap, because it's to the upside, it's called a BISI. And to the downside, SIBIs, these purple ones. And then you can go to your lower time frames. This right here is this. So it dipped into it, then reacted. You could have played it. You could have played that. That's well before the open, obviously, but even right at the open. These are entries off of 1 minute BISIs. That's an entry. That's an entry. And we got order flow to the upside. And that's literally in a nutshell. I'm hoping that whoever's watching or whoever watches this in the future, very just quick, easy explanation to the point. That's what you're looking for. At this point, I don't even think the news is going to really do much for me today. That sucks. Not going to trade, but we're not going to give up this early. It's only 7:39 my time. 9 minutes into the opening. Adam still hasn't called or got on the stream. NVIDIA. Patrick talking about NVIDIA. Tanja, she's just talking about how the markets are flying. Irresponsible of me. I haven't looked at ES. What did it do? Has it done anything? 4 hour, we're in SIBIs, which. Okay, perfect. You guys are still watching all of my charts here on TradingView. 4 hour, we're in those SIBIs, and in fact, I don't really care too much about the new week open gap now. It could refer back to it, but let's see. Nothing yet. And let me mark that off. For our SIBI. Okay. It went into that top SIBI. Let's see if it reacts to it. Again, we got 20 minutes left. That might be the play on ES. Interesting. And here's a BISI on the 1 hour. Not real exact reaction off of that BISI. Oh, there's Adam. Yo!
I joined you, bro.
You joined me. What the heck? Add to.
I did.
Well,
you can hear me, I guess, right?
Yep, I hear you. Sweet, man.
I like all your purples and greens.
Oh, you can actually see that? It's because I'm not showing the right one.
All right,
Let's do this one. Share. There it is. I don't see a play, man, for NQ. I see a good play for ES. Probably not something. I don't know. We'll see.
Well, you called me last night and talking about NASDAQ. I mean, look how perfect that is.
NASDAQ. Talking about last night. Well, the 1 hour looks pretty. The 1 hour actually looked really good right at the open. Did you see that?
No. I mean, what I'm referring to, like for the buy?
The buy on the buy side, like right at, if you take a look at the 1 hour, you'll see the BISI entry.
Yeah. But you see what I mean last night when we were just struggling talking about shitty price action or whatever.
Yeah.
Look how it filled in the new week open gap and flew up. Right.
I see it, man. I sees it.
That's.
Oh, the 4 hour. Jesus, look at the 4 hour, man. Jeez, it's pretty.
Pretty for what? What are you referring to?
The candles respect the new week open gap, like pretty darn perfectly.
Yeah. The bodies respect the high like that closing.
That is
yeah, man. So order flow's happening right under our nose.
Yeah.
Order flow is occurring, so it's pretty. But we're going up. So what we typically like to see if we're bullish is sell side rates, sweeps, right?
Yes, sir. For
ES looks drastically different.
ES and NQ look way different. Yes, sir.
8 o'clock news. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I've said it like 10 times on stream.
Reminding yourself.
My, don't trade. Take a look at ES on the 4 hour. Perfect entry to the top SIBI. And it's reacting to it.
I pull you like that. My mouse does not like my camera being on. Okay, I'm pulled you up so I can see kind of what you're doing.
Oh, cool. Well, here, this is what
my screen's just white, huh?
Your screen is just you.
Yeah.
Drinking coffee. I can actually see what you're doing now, dude. Does that freak you out?
Does it freak you out? You haven't noticed the thing on my desk yet. There it is. Finally. I guess I just kind
of remind me to censor that next time. Just kidding. That's hilarious, dude. Can I actually hold on? I'm gonna play around with my live stream here. Oh wow.
There it is.
There it is. Wow. Does that so whenever you get angry, do you do something with it?
I'll pet it. You've never seen a pink one, have you?
I've never seen a pink one. Please tell me that's not used.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, God.
If it was, someone soaked it off.
That's hilarious.
Cleaned it up. You're good.
Moving on here. That's hilarious, dude. Well, there's the entry to the downside SIBI on NQ. There's no real reason to play short on NQ yet, though. What do you think?
No. So, no. I don't have anything I can conjure up to go, okay, it's short. I'm not going to just read some sort of low time frame reaction where it looks like it's displacing lower. I can't use that. If you want to, golly, we're having mouse issues. We're going to have to get this fixed. There's a pullback, right? So if you look at either 1 hour, 4 hour, however you want to do it, there's a pullback and it pulls back into the new week open gap, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. That you measure that pullback and you look for the 50%, negative 50%, negative 100% of that move. The negative 50, this might help you. Hold on your horses, it's gonna get crazy. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. The pullback, where could it go? We're talking about new highs. Michael teaches this. That line, 659, right? And then over here, of course, I'm looking at my 4 hour. It could go to there. That's the only thing I possibly have to try to judge some sort of buy side.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
I don't have any other way to go. So I can't touch it unless something like that, occurs. So there's no shorting today for me, I don't think.
Okay.
Other than trading back below yesterday's high. You can look at this as a buy side raid, possibly, but I mean, we're trading above it right now. So
yeah,
we never play a buy side sweep trading above it.
No, not at all.
So, obviously this could start really trading down and pull back. And then you go, okay. But right now we've been trading above that high for hours. London was trading started trading above it and kind of tried to stay above it.
Yeah.
In fact, we just right there.
We just touched it.
Yeah, we're right at it. So we'll just see. 8 o'clock news. We'll see. When you go take out liquidity, what's next?
Internal.
Yeah, some sort of internal liquidity. So
there's a lot of internal liquidity and inefficiencies. There's BISIs down below, down below. 100 points away.
Is your whole stream focused just on me? I don't see you.
No.
Your chart anymore.
Oh, that's because. Well, do you see my Tradivate chart?
No, I'm just looking at me. Yeah, I think you have me up there. There it is.
How about now?
Yes, sir.
I can switch to different screens, but going back and forth sucks. Replace screen. I can do this. You see all of my screens.
Look at you, finally got your 4 up. Yeah. Now, let me look. Am I able to share my screens with you or not?
Oh,
yeah, it does say it.
It does say it?
Yeah, I'm not going to do it now, but I could.
Okay. I like to keep, for the live stream, I like to keep this screen. So if I do place a trade, it's kind of ready to go.
I ordered a USB-C extension cable. Get your ass on that side sometime.
Oh, awesome.
Amazon. We'll see. I'd rather order on Amazon than drive to fucking Walmart.
Let it take. I'd rather wait a week rather than maybe an hour.
Absolutely. I'm patient. It's okay. I'm actually not patient. It's terrible. But ARC Innovations is down 1%.
Is it really?
All my guys are up a little bit yesterday. There's a gap up, helped out with that. I need to get more delta neutral to bullish. So I got to find one that's going to do that for me.
For anybody listening, watching, cares, Adam is doing the wheel strategy on ETFs. We'll eventually make a video explaining that strategy. You can find tons of information out there about it. He's doing it a very unique way. You can actually make income or bring in income on a monthly basis doing the wheel strategy.
Yeah, you can't see shit. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So fast move down. Entered a 1 hour BISI. Okay. Arguable. Took out a little bit of liquidity areas, small liquidity. Filled the 1 hour BISI just about to the tits, man. You see that?
Wow.
So,
wow, that is incredible.
There's not really, there's a little bit on the 4 hour down below. Same on the 1 hour to go further.
I want to show this. That's pretty amazing. Looking at the 1 hour, it's towards the left-hand side, second screen, over. Talking about this wick here that almost filled in this BISI to an inefficiency pretty perfectly, right? That's reaction. That's something that we watch.
5 minute definitely looks like a reaction.
Same thing on the 15-minute. 5 minute, yeah. I see it. It's everywhere. It's 7:53. It's getting pretty close to news. I wonder if this is the trade to the upside.
I wonder.
Back up to the high 652. Well, from here, it's what, 70 points?
Come on. There you go. Hey, what's going on here?
I had a chance to explain the Tanja, why we call her Tanja.
She spells it with a J, right?
Yeah.
Tanja.
Tanja.
We love Tanja.
Love Tanja, man.
Everybody loves Tanja.
Order submitted.
Okay, my orders are working.
People don't know just because, right? We just started live streaming. Adam is trading funded accounts on Apex. You just hit no. You have 7 Apex, and then who else?
That's it now.
Oh, really?
Apex and cash accounts.
Apex and cash accounts. He's using Replicanto. I'll try to set something up, a link, because you're using it. I might as well put in a link for anybody that's wanting to purchase that. I'll let Adam tell you if it's good or not.
It's great when it works.
Yeah, I hear that.
It's awesome when it works. No displacement here. Yeah, I mean to the downside. But 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Did you send a link to Robert?
No, I sent him a link to the YouTube feed yesterday.
That's what I mean. Send him to the feed. He texted me this morning.
Oh, okay. Sure. I can do this. You might as well just become a subscriber of my YouTube channel.
We'll have one. Woohoo! Higher prices if you want to go long, huh? Crazy. Crazy. We got funds rate tomorrow. You think Powell's going to drop?
Yes, I think so. I think he's being pressured too.
He's definitely being pressured too. I thought about it. He's probably tired, and he's like, I don't really want this job anymore. So,
yeah. Isn't there? Isn't he about to be replaced?
possibly. See, I don't know if I should ACH receipt mass consulting. This is bullshit. Don't read that email. Okay. Everybody just trying to.
I think that this is going to be to the long side, my dude. We got 3 minutes left. I'm going to change it.
You see me going through my emails. I guess.
No, I can't see anything on your screen. It's just
completely white out. Yeah. How fun. Fun for everyone.
Fun for everyone. We don't want to see what you're watching.
That's good. So I can just continue to watch porn.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sweet.
2 minutes.
Yeah. 1 hour, 4 hour SIBI entry on. Oh, yes. Guess let's try not to compare the two, but. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm not touching that.
What's the stop loss on something like that? Oh, it ain't nothing.
Stop
17 points.
For what?
Oh, that BISI right there that just forms. About 1 minute.
It's not a BISI. I have a huge wick and. Right? What am I missing here? No, I guess
1
you're
minute.
right.
Okay. What's the low? 84.
All right, I guess it's time to watch this release. I don't even remember what it is. It's JOLTS Job Openings.
Yeah.
Okay. And so you got an order set in? I don't see it.
Well, I'm going to just click on it. So it's ready. Oh,
Okay. There's your entry.
There's your entry. Oof.
All right. So I had to just kind of get in because of the way that.
I got in, yeah.
Whoops.
I'm in.
Oh crap.
Buy. So stop.
Yeah, trying to get a stop in as well. Let's hope that that's successful.
I got in super late. That sucks. 50, 83, 91. Wow, I got a terrible fill.
Sure.
What's that low? 67, so 60, yep, 66.75. 66.50. I'm okay with that. Again. Oh, I'm going for the highs.
Okay.
Sell. And
it's not looking good. It's a 5-minute civvy entry.
Oh, yeah. Not good. I'm going to lose a lot more than the actual play, which sucks. And terrible fill.
Yeah. More than likely. 5-minute civvy fill after running the highs. Yes, is showing low.
5 minutes.
You're kind of fighting two little things at once here, but
5 minutes. I see that. Yeah. Dang. Well, we read it wrong. This is not the reaction we want to see.
Well, kind of a shitty displacement up anyway, but
yeah,
we were close above those highs. It was a quick wick into it, which was, it's potential, but it's kind of low probability, I guess.
I got 10 points worse fill. I should tell you.
Okay, I'm probably 5, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, I created a civvy on the 1 minute.
Well, all right. So ES doing the same thing. Bam, that's a hard hit. Yeah, you're dealing with buy side.
Did you get out?
Something did.
I got out. Whew. That was terrible. Got out. Okay.
Yeah.
Exits. All right. That was, what kind of a loss was that? 30.
Yeah, we ran buy side, dude, and you're playing down.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lose all those guys. see your play.
Yes, sir. See how bad of a feel I got?
I'll be back, Philip.
Yo. Red on my screen everywhere. Real trades here. Look at that. Oof. 103, 154. Should be the same. Yeah. Yep. Quick little entry there.
All right, I'm back.
Sweet.
You gonna go short on that one?
Well, if it's short, what's the premise then? I get off the 1 and 5 minute.
We already know what the premise would be, right?
Just taking out buy side liquidity. That's it.
Well, that's something.
Yeah, but the way that it did it, that was at 4 o'clock. I mean, well, technically that was at midnight.
That was at 7:39. Right? That was at 7:39, I believe. Was it not?
No. It took out previous day high. It took it out during London.
Wait. Okay.
The short was, 10 points ago? If that's what you're expecting.
Order submitted.
Misty, everything turned red. That's wild. Roblox, Misty, Ulti. Are you at all in the green with the calls that you sold yesterday? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm curious to know, are you up? Does it show $5, $10 each?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, it's gonna be up. It's gonna be up a little bit.
Order filled.
Right?
Yeah.
Nice. Those are gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I mean, we're up $30 for everything. I mean, just because everything kind of gapped up. If you got puts, that's helpful or whatever. But yeah, it's not one of those daily P&L things you care about. You just, sold your premium. The premium's there, regardless of what happens.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to flip the phones. Sweet.
So now it's going up against that, Sibby, right?
Yep.
Not wanting to move lower. Ran buy side. It's holding in on the head.
And so how do you see this? You see that it ran sell side and then it's trying to.
Well, that's what we first tried.
Mm-hmm.
But the big premise is, taking out the highs and then taking out the highs one more time at the open. Pretty much just shot up,
Yeah.
Wow. So I tried that short. I'm about to lose on it. Combines are gone and 5 funded are gone.
Wow, really?
Yep.
Whew.
So there you go, buddy. Yeah, about to lose this one too.
And then there's another civvy there.
Oh, just above, huh? Yeah. Okay, we're out.
Order filled.
So a ton. Yeah, ton gone. Yeah, man. Anyway.
The shorts. You tried shorts. You tried long. You tried short. There's
pretty nasty. Pretty terrible trading.
there.
Just been terrible, man.
It has been.
No, we have.
Yeah. This is true.
Oh, man, what's going
It's that's interesting.
Three, and then we got all right, cool. So wait, what? They gotta clean it, so say that. But the width, they can control that. So it's already done. Okay. Yeah, man.
Oh man, this sucks.
4-hour entry. Yeah, dude, we're, this is ridiculous. Crazy, man. Told you that shit was gonna happen on my accounts. The funded.
Yeah.
They gone, baby. 5.
Five and then
5 gone.
How close are you to losing?
Oh, probably super close. I told you I didn't give a shit. Probably super close. One more, like if I were to trade again today, probably if it lost, that would probably be it. We're just right there. So I don't know what we're trying to do. We're trying to make trades. We do have a 1 hour, busy entry, but we're fighting against all-time high like that. Look at that wick.
Yeah, dude, that wick is gnarly.
But now you're trying to short. I mean, you could have shorted there at the news, but even that one, you're so. Anyway, it's not gonna work.
Well.
Yeah, you just can't only take losers. It doesn't really work mathematically.
It doesn't work when you just lose in this game.
No, man, it's pretty imminent on my end that this is done.
Are you just going to be doing the wheel?
Well, it's something I've got, but it won't do much for me. So, but this game, it's just fucking retarded. So,
It's the most difficult thing we've ever done, dude.
Yeah, I mean, it's easy to read, higher time frame. You kind of see order flow. Last night, it's like, hey, look at the gap. We went into it. Look, we got made new highs after that. It's internal, external. I mean, it all makes sense. But then you get in, you go, well, at 1 hour, isn't that internal? We ran external, and now we're internal. We go up. That's trending. It's up. I mean, you just make all this shit up as you try to find direction, and then we force these trades in at this time frame, which has been really bad lately. The type of trading around this time when the market opens has been real shitty. Yeah. And yes, it's impossible.
Which is why I get annoyed whenever I see people on TikTok and YouTube. Oh, it's super easy. Just draw a trend line and draw out support and resistance, and you got it.
There you go.
That's it.
That's it.
Never
Out
that
sell
easy.
side, we entered some inefficiencies. It's long, baby. No, it's not. And it's going to sit here and be shitty. We got funds rate tomorrow. So probably just left the whole week alone.
We have fund rates tomorrow. Yeah, not going to trade tomorrow.
I mean, what the fuck do I have left here? I mean, cash account got hit hard today.
Cash account. Did you trade the cash account, the short too?
Sure. Yeah, of course. Well, we got nothing to offer, man.
I get it.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, man. This is the end.
I think so. I got a few things left here, but I'm about to. I mean, I got that huge 300. I mean, it's retarded trying to keep that one around, but I guess it didn't cost me anything. Yeah, we'll cancel those combines. Stop paying that.
The one that I'm showing right now, that's my Top Step account. Let me see. Dude, these Top Step accounts, specifically this one, I've had since June 19th of last year, 2024. And I'm down $845 on it. But I've kept it for over a year, and I haven't gotten paid out.
Yeah.
This one I'm dead even on.
You fuckball. All right, I don't know what's happening here. Fucking bullshit. I'm gonna close off this.
1,000.
All right, dude.
I still got $1,000 trailing drawdown on the majority of my $25,000 accounts. Where are these at? 4,000.
Okay, what did I say? 45, right? Uh, 555. 555. Oh yeah, damn. Nothing. I was just looking at maybe the high of the day on the S, but
Oh, I see.
there.
Let's see.
Yeah. All right, iPad's off. Just gonna close. I have active orders.
Oh, on what?
Order canceled.
I don't know yet. Okay, Replicante is shut down. All right, man. Well, so kind of end of the road. Hey, man.
You're donezo.
Pretty close. I mean, when you start doing that kind of stuff after months and months and months.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy how. We've been at this for how long?
I've put several years into trying to, learn this type of market trading. It's day trading and reading price action. It is very, very interesting. I mean, there's no doubt something to it where these things happen, order flow, and you can read charts, you understand why that's a low and so forth and so on. It's not that hard to see that on a 1 hour and daily and 4 hour, right?
Yeah.
I've said for a long time, we get chopped and killed when we go down to the 1 minute and try to, do our thing. Thinking, we think that's our only way. But, this happens, this liquidity, inefficiency. Yeah, look, he's y'all bringing me down. This stuff happens. But when you get into the 1 minute, dude, good luck. It's going to work out. And the thing is, it's like golf. You're going to see them perfect. But, you chop your ass up. Can. And lately, it's been kind of doing that,
Yeah.
Now, in this case, hindsight's going to tell you short. The short was that 5 minute. You ran buy side, 5 minute entered a short. Short's working at the moment. Yeah.
Shorts.
But
here's the problem with trading the 5 minute. That stop loss
well
is 57 points.
Yeah, I guess in money management it is. But does it matter in order flow? No, order flows don't give a shit with the stop loss.
No, it doesn't.
The main thing that I've been learning is that I don't enjoy this as much. This type of trading. It's not as fun. Where is Damn, SOXL is up 4% this morning.
What is?
ETH, semiconductor ETH, SOXL.
Oh, I see. Roblox.
Let's get over to. We're depressing Robert. He just texted me. He's our only viewer. Yeah, he's our only viewer. But,
we got 3 viewers. Man, I wish I could do like a giveaway or something. Be like Tanja.
And ES does look short. I don't know. It's actually confusing. It's kind of Short could be long. Long is the overall premise anyway. So you looked at ES. Is the New York or AM session, which side is the high or low of the day, in your opinion?
What's the question again?
Have we put in the high or low of the day in ES yet? Don't overthink. All right. Well.
Oh wow, we actually had somebody. Let's reply.
You working?
Let's reply.
Jesus, what's the spread? Oh, that's because of that. Gotcha. All right, man. Well, we got anything else?
I got nothing else, dude. It's only 8:26. You can call it quits.
I've shut everything down for me.
Oh, I got you, man. I got you. I'm not going to trade in this. This is terrible price action. I already tried trading. Got my ass handed to on a silver platter. Oh, gosh. I even went down on the chair. Yeah, no, I definitely don't want to trade in this. The short was definitely the way, obviously. Not even Tanja traded.
Yeah, good for her. Yeah, I mean, look, short's working. I got stopped. Yeah. So that's what I'm trying to tell you on that fucking 1 minute.
Yeah, and then even short, that's not the play. That's not something I would play anyways. The short would have been way up top, but even again, I've talked about this so many times. Timing of it just wasn't there for me. Again, I wasn't looking short. Yeah, no, I get it. What is that?
Okay. Well.
Oh. What are you going to do to fill in your mornings, dude?
I actually have a pretty good paying construction job that I should actually be at right now. Yeah, I'm pretty good at that.
Yeah.
And I'm knowledgeable at this. Like I said, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour. I mean, more than likely, I'm going to gravitate towards something that's a little more long-term play. Understanding. I mean, because you can't argue. No one can fucking argue with Michael in terms of what the markets do. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We came in late with Michael and it was working. I've been following it for 2 years or better. It's still working. So it's not an argument whether this is just a hoax. It's not a hoax. But I've always told you, the market hates day traders.
Yeah.
Yeah. If we owned the market, our main job would be make sure no one can scalp us because we throw something out there that is obvious and repetitive.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So if we did that, if something was like that, where like if it did this and this every time, it's going to work and go here. If that existed, AI would find it like that. Any other, I mean, shit. You know the outcome.
Yeah, absolutely.
You're pulling money like a motherfucker out of the market,
Hmm.
and they don't want that to happen.
No, they don't. That's you know this. I know this. It's not. There's not a strategy, especially something automated out there that consistently beats the markets.
No, a lot of intuition. Be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, Patrick's little method, which is outlawish, but his intuition with it, and then persistence probably is top of that list. Gets him, positive at the end of a week.
Here's again. I want to mention this. Patrick is. We believe that Patrick is successful. He's successful trading the markets. You see it in his live streams, but it's not really. I don't see any systematic way that he does it. He sees momentum and he goes in and he rides it for.
That's it, dude. I mean, like I said, there's not going to be. You want this mathematical chart pattern that's just going to show up and be like, oh, I know what's going on. That's not it. He does. He follows in momentum. He gets his money, gets out. It's outlawish. It's a game. I mean, I think of it as a sport, which is kind of fun. I mean, that could be a fun way to go about it.
Sure.
And you're going to take losses. So the key to it is persistence. Be like, it's all right. Come back. Keep going. Keep trying, and you come out a winner. Or a lot less losses. If you stay persistent. Because I know some days, man, it's been bad for him, and then he pulls it back to about close to a break even.
Very true, very true. There, and then not necessarily switching topics up, but the direction here. He's doing one thing, yet we purchased his ebook. However much it was, $29, $49, whatever it was. And he teaches a strategy, an idea, trading idea that he doesn't even follow. He may here and there, but he doesn't actually follow it on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah, but I told you, he's not teaching it like systematically, because he's like, well, but then you could also, and the way he talks, he shared that when he put that together, that was his journey into what he's doing now. It was like waiting for certain things. I mean, bear flags and whatnot. He's beyond that at this point. Like any other trader, day trading, it's going to constantly evolve and change. And he's evolving as well. So it's still based on the same premise idea, but he's changed it because his experience. He doesn't necessarily enter the way he teaches it.
Yeah. It's Tanja, she's short. She went in short.
You have a major SMT positive between ES and NASDAQ. So I think this is a turnaround. I really do.
To the upside? Turnaround?
No.
You don't think this is a turnaround? You said turnaround.
SMT. You need to think higher time frame. NASDAQ put in a much higher high. ES did not. They are opposite of each other the last 2 days. Right?
I see what you're saying.
Look at that. Much lower low.
You're looking at turnaround to the downside, higher time frames, because we've been long all this time.
Right. SMT is the top and bottoms of moves, right? So it's not in the middle of a continuation, huh? Yes. So if it is truly a SMT, it's a convergence deal,
And that's that, yeah.
But anyway. Yeah, you're probably right. I bet the high was put in pretty much right at the open for ES and probably, I assume NASDAQ as well. That's the high today. And so we're going to just trade lower, probably seek out yesterday's close, which puts us into some 4 hour and 1 hour inefficiencies. Not looking good for a short. She's short ES or NASDAQ?
NASDAQ. 570.
London low.
574 is her stop loss.
Oh.
$574. She's 12 points away. Yeah, she's NASDAQ. Ooh. 20 points. You know what's hilarious? If she loses, quite literally, we're losing the same. Oh, she got out. She just got out.
She marketed out of it?
Yeah, she marketed out. How crazy. She did not like that trade.
Well, I mean, are you looking at the 1 minute? Is that where you're at right now?
Yeah.
I mean, find a trade you do like.
Yeah. Nope.
You got Bissy loses. You got Sibby. Actually, that's Sibby. It's winning. That one lost.
Mm-hmm.
That one lost. Yeah, you're just the 1 minute, man. Is just it's retarded. It's pretty when it's pretty. Okay.
It works when it works.
Yeah.
It works when it works.
Pretty when it's pretty, but it's not, I think the major here is that we, took out buy side. NASDAQ did, ran up high. That's forcing all this down move. But shit, dude, it could be over with and start climbing to new highs. At this point, I couldn't tell you.
Mm-hmm.
No idea. So,
huh? No, go ahead. Finish your thought.
Enters that 4 hour inefficiencies, like it made a lower high.
Oh, wow, I see it.
And now it's pushing lower. God. All right, man. So we are gonna be done with the stream.
Yeah, man. Sure. Let's call it a day, man. Losing day today. Thanks for everyone watching, man. All right. See you guys next time on the next stream.